Stocks are owning part of a company. If you own 100 shares or 5 shares, you are part owner. If the company does well over 1 year or 3 years, the stock will go up and you will participate in that gain. That's what a stock is. It's very simple.
So how do I know which stock to pick?
Well, they're all around you. You have to keep your eyes open. You have to look, see what's happening. If Chrysler minivans are hot, you look at that, or new sneaker company. Just keep your eyes open. Stocks are out there looking for you.
So what should we be looking for?
If a company's going to do well, it's because of their products. When Nike had all the right products, when they had new products, when their sneakers were the best, if you bought that, you could have made 30 times your money in 4 or 5 years. That's what you're doing. You're saying they are the best. I love their products. My friends love their products at the best prices. I want to buy them. That's all you do. And you keep researching until the time you say there's somebody better. As long as they have the best products, you hold on to the stock.
So if you're lucky enough to pick the right stock, you'll make a lot of money, right?
Not exactly. Some stocks go up and some go down. They're not like lottery tickets. It's not a gamble. It's not speculation. You have to do some hard work. You might have to look at 5 or 6 companies to find one good one. There is research involved, but you will win in the end if you pick the right companies.
Can we buy a stock in any company we want?
Unfortunately, no. Some companies are private. The shares are only owned by the employees. They're only owned by a couple of the owners. Most companies are public. So you have to research to see if this company is public. 1,000 companies have come public in the last 2 years. So the odds are up all the time of finding a good company.
How can you tell which companies are good to invest in?
Well, first, you want to determine, is this company doing well? Second, you want to find out, does it have a good financial position? Is this company solvent? Third, you want to find out, is it early? Is this the second inning or the third inning of the ball game? Or is this the 8th or 9th inning? We're near the end of this story. Does everyone own these sneakers? How do we stand in terms of the length of this story? You'd like to be involved in the company in the early phases rather than the late phases.
So where do we start?
We've already started. That's what the exercise is. You try and find companies. Use common sense. You want to understand the company. If you can't explain what this company does to your younger brother and sister in 30 seconds or less, you shouldn't own it. You should do some research. A little bit of financial common sense, and you're ready to go. You guys ought to get out of here and go do it. Go find some stocks.